Hey guys, welcome back. I got this Huawei P30 Lite which was not powering on, so I run some diagnostics on it and I found a short on the VPH main power rail, and this short was around the power manager IC. It was a capacitor, a shorted capacitor, and what caused the short was a faulty charger. A faulty charger caused this short around this power manager IC. So I went ahead and used my heat gun to remove this shorted capacitor and replace it with a new one. Here I was heating the capacitor to remove, applying some paste on it for it to be easy to remove. So after I removed the capacitor, I replaced it with a new one. After removing it, I replaced it with a new one, but I skipped that part. Sorry, I skipped that part. So I was still heating. So here I'm done. I connected the battery and power the phone again on to see if it will come on. And here you go, working. The short is gone and the phone now works perfectly. So just be patient for it to power on to the desktop. If you like what I do, please subscribe to this channel, like and share for more contents like this. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. The phone is powering on. Okay, just be patient a bit. Good. Here you go. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.